Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Welcome friends, it's a 40-inch Sony Full HD LED TV. In this TV complaint is, when it's turned on, the TV starts restarting 3 times after that it goes to 6 times red light blinking issue. See friends, it started restarting after that it's turned to 6 times red light blinking. In Sony LED TV the 6 times blinking indicates backlight error. It's a protection mode. However, we can bypass this protection mode from the TV by doing a small modifications in inverter IC in the motherboard. But it's a temporary solution. Permanent solution is backlight replacement. So let's start the repair. This is the model number of the TV. See, this is the motherboard. It's a full HD 40-inch Samsung panel. See, these are the backlights. Total 10 LED strips are there. While checking with LED backlight checker from this 10 LED strip, only 1 LED strip is not working. So that's the reason for 6 times blinking. But while handling backlight related faults, it's better to replace entire backlights with new one. So these are the 10 new LED backlight strips. Now let's replace old one and fix these new LEDs. Finally, now we can put the diffuser sheet, panel and all frames back to the TV. See friends, finally here we connected everything back. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See, now the TV is turned on. It's working properly without any red light blinking issues. After changing backlights, it's better to reduce backlight minimum 30% to maximum 60 to 70% for increasing the lifetime of LED backlights. Here now the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.